Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can make templates on Squarespace and sell them to people for profit. So let's get right into it. Now, if you want to develop actual templates for Squarespace, which Squarespace will put under the templates you get when creating a site, you will actually need to get hired by Squarespace since they have their own developers and development team specifically tasked with making these templates for when those templates are needed and when new templates are needed. So you're going to be needing to be hired by Squarespace, and you'll need to have the certain skills in certain languages to actually create these templates. Now, if you want to create templates and then sell them to other people, which people already do, you're going to do a different thing. Now, templates in the new definition of Squarespace templates, as of the version 7.1, they are not templates as they were previously. Previously, they had a special part in the actual website. They would give you a set amount of style choices you can make depending on the template you choose. Now, it's all pretty much the same template, only different styles and different presets you can choose when starting your site, and you can change every site depending on how you want it, and it's pretty much the same theme and same template. But if you want to create a site and create a template, you just need to create a site and edit the template however you want, make the necessary changes, and then to actually sell it, you can sell it on Etsy or wherever you want. However, what you're going to do after you sell it to actually give ownership to the other person, you're going to go into your settings, then from there go into permissions and ownership, and from here click invite contributor to invite the person that you want to be the owner, and make sure you set them as administrator and just give them a name and enter their email address and invite them. Once they accept the invitation, go to your ownership tab, which is this. You'll see your account name over here and click transfer ownership. And then you'll need to verify your account and select the person from the drop down menu. And that is basically all you need to do. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.